Never make a mistake. God does replace.
Ungalenzi futhi uNkulunkulu
And He
uyasivala
loves
isikhundla
it when it
somuntu.
replaces.
And futhi uyakuthanda uma ngabathatha isikhundla somuntu omasivala.
He says to Saul,
Uthi kuSawuli,
says to Samuel, I've rejected Saul.
ngimlahlile uSawuli.
Why do you keep mourning over him?
Kungani solo kumkhalela?
It means God knew his mind.
Kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu bekayazi.
Ukuthi this is not the only mistake.
Ukuthi la kusilo leli kuphela iphutha.
Kuningi asazokuyenza, and God rejected him.
Bese uNkulunkulu
And then he says, I found myself a man
bese athi ngizitholele
after
indoda.
my own heart.
Esemva kweyami
That
inhliziyo.
one was not found by Samuel.
Lo yazange
It's
athole.
God who found him.
uNkulunkulu umtholile.
It's not Samuel who went to look for David.
Akusu Samuel wahamba wayifuna
God
uDavida.
said, I found him.
uNkulunkulu uthe ngimtholile.
Who's after my own heart.
Lo semva kweyami inhliziyo.
Let's go. People don't know. God
Abantu abazi.
does replace
uNkulunkulu uyasivala isikhundla somuntu.
anything that tampers with his vision.
Noma ngabe yile eqhukuluza
You
umbono
might be in
wakhe.
a church, God can replace you. God can do anything at any time.
uNkulunkulu angayenza noma ngabe yini noma
Never
ngabe
make yourself an idol or a god
ungaziyenza uNkulunkulu noma isipho
or a goddess.
noma uNkulunkuluwane.
God can replace you.
uNkulunkulu angasivala esakhe isikhundla.
God can replace you.
uNkulunkulu angasivala isikhundla.
Because Elijah said, I'm the only one who's left.
Ngoba Eliya uthi yimi kuphela.
God said, I still have many in the cave.
uNkulunkulu
The
athi
eagles were
"Senabantu
busy.
ezinqumeni, amakhosi bayasolo ashaya.
While the other eagle says, I'm tired.
Ngapha lelo lunye ikhosi lithi ngikhathele.
The other eagles were in the cave.
Lawa amanye amakhosi basemhumeni azishaya.
God says, I still have 7,000.
uNkulunkulu wathi ngisesenabaningi.
Never think God does not have
Ungacabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu akanawo
anything in his mind.
noma ngabe yini into ethile engqondweni yakhe.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu akananto anayo engqondweni yakhe. Don't think he doesn't have. God is always mindful.
uNkulunkulu uhleza acabanga.
And God can read
Futhi uNkulunkulu yakhona ukufunda
failure before it even happens.
ukuhluleka ngaphambi kokuba kwenzeke.
And people can say, why uNkulunkulu enza so? Then later on you see,
Egcineni uyabona
why did he do it?
ukuthi kungana kwenzile.
He was able to interpret that there's failure here.
Wakhona ukuchaza ukuthi lapha kunokuhluleka.
God does not make a mistake.
uNkulunkulu akalenzi.
It doesn't mean if he chose Saul
Akusho ukuthi makakhetha uSawuli
and anointed Saul,
wagcoba
it
uSawuli.
doesn't mean it was a mistake.
Akusho ukuthi
God does not make
uyiphutha.
mistakes.
uNkulunkulu akalenzi iphutha.
It doesn't mean when he chose Vashti,
Akusho ukuthi makakhetha
God
uVashti,
made a mistake.
uNkulunkulu wayenza iphutha.
He knew
Bekazi
what they will do.
ukuthi yini
And he
abazoyenza.
knew that I will replace them.
Futhi bekazi ukuthi isikhundla sabo uzosivala.
It's painful, no?
Kubuhlungu,
It's painful.
kubuhlungu.
God
uNkulunkulu
can do
ngayenza
anything
noma ngabe yini.
as long as it pleases him.
Nethi nje mayimthokozisa yena.
And he's not going to look at how you feel.
Ayeka
How
kahle
you
ukuthi
think.
uzizwa kanjani noma uqabanga
He
kanjani.
does what pleases him.
Yenza lokho kuthokozisa yena.
He does what does not break his heart.
Uyenza lokho kungaphuli inhliziyo yakhe.
It's painful, no?
Kubuhlungu.
Let's go. Continue.
Elijah was afraid and fled for his life. He went to Beersheba, a town in Judah, and he left his servant there. 4. Then he went on alone into the wilderness, traveling all
He
day.
went all alone into the wilderness.
Wahamba yedwa.
So he wasted his time in the wilderness.
Wamosha isikhathi sakhe hlanje.
He wasted his time.
Wamosha isikhathi sakhe.
Those were moments where Elijah was supposed to know
Lapho Eliya bekufanele azi
how to face
ukuthi ubhekana kanjani
everything
nako konke
without fear.
ngaphandle kokusaba.
Let's go.
Then he went on alone into the wilderness, traveling all day.
He went all alone
Wahamba yedwa
because it's not God who said flee.
ngoba kusuNkulunkulu othe baleka.
went all alone
wahamba yedwa
after hearing the message.
emva kokuthi ezwe lo mlwayezo
When Jezebel said, I'm going to kill you,
uJezebeli makathi ngizokubulala
he fled.
abe siyabaleka.
Let's go.
He sat down under a solitary broom tree and prayed that he might die.
Hey, repeat. Repeat.
He
He
said-
prayed that he must die.
wakhuleka ukuthi afe.
Now you think when God you think when God anointed Elisha
Cabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu makagcobe Elisha
was a mistake.
bekuyiphutha.
It was a form of God showing replacement.
Bokuwumumu uNkulunkulu akhombisa ukuvala kwesikhundla somuntu.
There's an oil that can come upon a person,
Kunamafutha angeza ngaphezulu komuntu.
not because you are fully being chosen or anointed by God,
Hayi ngoba
but coming upon a person to replace somebody.
Phezulu komuntu ngoba kuzovala isikhundla
Replacement
somuntu.
is not replication.
Ukuvala kwesikhundla somuntu akusuphindwa komuntu.
When I replace you, I'm not
Uma ngabe ngivala
replicating
isikhundla
you.
sakho angikuphindi.
Meaning,
Ukusho ukuthi
what you have become,
lokho sowube yikho.
it is not what God wants to see in the future.
Akusiki lokho uNkulunkulu afuna ukukubona ngakusasa.
There are people who reach that level where God
Kunabantu
says, I
abafika
don't want to see this person anymore.
lapho uNkulunkulu athi angisafuni ukumbona lo muntu.
I must replace the person.
Fanele ngisivale
It
isikhundla.
doesn't mean God hates you.
Akusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu
It simply
uyakuzonda.
means you are no longer entrusted.
Kusho ukuthi nje awusathenjwanga.
You are no longer entrusted
Awusathenjwanga
to continue with such a mission.
ukuthi uqhubeke nalo msebenzi.
It's becoming more intense now. It doesn't mean that God hates you.
Akusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakuzonda.
It simply means he cannot replicate you.
Nethi kusho ukuthi nje akakhona ukuphinda.
It's not like when God says,
Akufana
Joshua,
Joshua.
my servant Moses is
Inqobu yami
dead.
uMose sekafile.
I shall be with you just like I was with
Njengoba benginoMose.
Moses.
Benginomose.
Sarah dies.
Sorry yafa.
Immediately when Sarah dies,
Nethi nje uSara makafa.
Keturah is no longer
Khethula akasasi.
what God does not want to see.
Yilo.
She didn't waste her wilderness days.
Azange amoshe insuku.
Aye. She didn't waste her wilderness.
Azange amoshe
She
ihlala.
went there, she prepared herself.
Wela
She
phakathi
changed her character.
washintsha izenzo zakhe.
She changed her character. And God said, I must bring her back. She will be a replicator of Sarah.
Fanele ngimbuyise
She's not going to
uzoba
replace Sarah. She'll be a replicator.
replicator.
So I will see Sarah in.
Okay, ngizobona uSara kuKhashu.
I will see Sarah in Keturah.
Ngizobona uSara kuKhashu.
She can continue
Ngaqhubeka.
with the mantle in Abraham.
Nale imendlela ezuku Abraham.
She can still carry it
Angaqhubeka kuthiwa
to the end,
uze kufike
to the
ekugcineni.
finish line,
Uze kufike
until
ekugcineni.
Abraham dies.
uAbraham azafe.
Now you find people mourning from what God is not mourning for
Uthola abantu bakhalela lokho uNkulunkulu angakhaleli
because they can't discern
ngoba bakhona ukuzwelela
what God has permitted.
ukuthi yini uNkulunkulu ayivumelile.
Mourning for it, you are also in a trap of being rejected.
Ukukhalela nawe usegibeni lokuthi ulahle noma waliwe.
There are many, there's many examples in the Bible
Kunezibonelo eziningi.
where you can see, no,
Lapho khona khona
uNkulunkulu la was not just removing the person.
Ubeyangamana msusa nje.
It means uNkulunkulu bengasafuni ukumbona futhi in the future. And there are people where you see ukuthi uNkulunkulu lo muntu lo usafuna ukumbona komunye umuntu. Jesus says it's important that I go
Jesu sikubalekile ukuthi ngihambe
because they will see me in you.
ngoba bazobona mina kini.
Replication.
Uphinde.
They will see me in you.
Bazobona mina.
I won't be there, but looking at you,
Angeke ngibe khona kodwa
the
mabandibheke
Father will be pleased.
ubaba uzothokoza.
What I was entrusted with shall be passed on to you.
kuzondluliselwa kini.
Are you in that level
Ngabe ulelo zinga na?
where God entrusts you?
Lapho uNkulunkulu akuthemba
Just like He entrusted someone.
njengoba athemba omunye umuntu nomuSamuel.
Or are you where God says, I must replace?
Noma uyilapho la uNkulunkulu athi kufanele ngimsuse.
No longer trusted
Awusathenjwanga
because you have retired.
ngoba sothethe
You have
umhlala
taken a
phansi.
pension.
Sothethe umhlala phasi.